Dear children, so welcome to the session. So we discuss the questions in the first session. Let me continue with it. The next question is, explain the difference between the thermoplastic and thermosetting plastics. So we have to differentiate the thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. So the differences are thermoplastics. So these are the plastics that can be deformed easily on heating and can bend also. So the thermoplastics can be deformed when we heat and it can also bend. But the thermosetting plastics, it cannot be deformed easily on heating. It cannot be softened by heating once they are molded. So once they are heated, the thermosetting plastics is once heated, it cannot be deformed. And the thermoplastics, so they are used for manufacturing cars, toys and containers. And thermosetting plastics, so that is the backlights. So these backlights are used for making electrical switches and handles for various utensils, etc. So backlights and melamine are the example for the thermosetting plastics. So these are used for electrical appliances and it's used as a handles for various utensils. And next question is, to explain why the following are made of thermosetting plastics. The first one is saucepan handles. So the saucepan handles is a thermosetting plastics. So the thermosetting plastics, it will not conduct the heat and the electricity. That is a major advantage. It will not conduct the heat means the thermosetting plastics can be used for various utensils, and also the thermosetting plastics can be used for various electrical applications. So these are the main advantages in thermosetting plastics. And the saucepan handles, so it is a cooking vessel. So while cooking it will generate the heat, no. So these thermosetting plastics, it will not conduct the heat. So that's the reason the saucepan handles can be used. The handles of saucepan are made of thermosetting plastics because it is a bad conductor of heat. It will not conduct the heat and it does not get heated up while cooking. It will not get heated when we cook. And the next is electric plugs, switches, plug boards. The electric plugs, switches, plug boards are made up of thermosetting plastics because it is a bad conductor of electricity. It will not conduct the electricity. The electric current does not pass through such plastics. So that is the reason the thermosetting plastics, it will not conduct the heat and the electricity. So that's why the thermosetting plastics can be used for electrical appliances and various cooking utensils. So these are the main advantage of thermosetting plastics. Next question is, categorize the materials of the following products into can be recycled and cannot be recycled. So there are some materials are there, we have to separate them. So which material can be recycled and which material cannot be recycled. So the materials are telephone instruments. So this telephone instrument is, what type of plastic it is, children? Yes, it is thermosetting plastics. So we can't be able to recycle it. And next is plastic toys. So plastic toys, it is thermoplastics. So we can recycle. And cooker handles. So when we handle that cooker handle while cooking, in that the heat is generated, it will conduct the heat? No, it will not conduct the heat. What type of plastic, children, it is? It is thermosetting plastic. It cannot be recycled. And next is carry bags. It's polythene carry bags. It's thermoplastic. It can be recycled. And next, ballpoint pen. It is also thermoplastic. It can also recycle. And next is plastic bowls. So it is also thermoplastics. It can also be recycled. And next, plastic covering of electrical wires. It's also thermoplastic. Can be recycled. And next is plastic chairs. So plastic chairs also recycled. And next is electrical switches. So these electrical switches are thermosetting plastics. It cannot be recycled. So the recycled materials are plastic toys, carry bags, ballpoint pen, plastic bowl, plastic chairs, and electric wires. So plastic toys, it can be recycled, and plastic carry bags, it can be recycled, and ballpoint pen can be recycled, and plastic bowls can be recycled, and electrical wires can be recycled, and plastic chairs, it's also recycled. So which rest of them are not recycled. So what are the rest of them? Yes, telephone instruments, cooker handles, and electrical switches. So these materials, these three materials cannot be recycled. Now next question is, so Rana wants to buy shirts for summer. Should he buy cotton shirts or shirts made from synthetic material? Give reasons for your suggestion. So when we, during the summer days, the lot of sweatings will be there, and we can feel when we go outside it will be very hot. So when you wear the cotton shirts, actually the cotton shirts, in that there are tiny holes are there. The tiny holes, from the tiny holes, if we are getting sweat, it will absorb the sweat. And when we wear the cotton shirts, it will prevent from the heat. The cotton shirts are the bad conductor of electricity. So when we wear the cotton shirts during the summer, we can't feel hot because it will prevent the heat, because cotton shirts are the bad conductors of electricity, and it's having the tiny holes are there, so from that it will absorb the moisture. So that's why during summer days we give the suggestion to wear cotton shirts. The reason is, so Rana should buy cotton shirts for summer. So my suggestion is to wear cotton shirts for summer. The reason is because cotton is a poor conductor of heat. It does not transmit heat to and from the body. It will not transmit the heat and protects us from heat. It will protect us from the heat also. And cotton is more capable of holding, absorbing sweat than synthetic cloths, keeping us cool. Yes, cotton is more capable of holding, absorbing sweat than synthetic cloths, keeping us cool. So that's why during summer days, so we have to wear cotton shirts. That is the main reason, because it will not conduct the heat. It is the poor conductor of heat, so it will not transmit the heat to and from the body, and it will protect us from the heat. And also the cotton is having tiny holes, so from that it will absorb the moisture, it will absorb the sweating, it will make more comfort when we wear the cotton dress during the summer season. Okay children, thank you, see you on next session.